Hola adventure amigos.
Last year we had a wonderful adventure in Puerto Vallarta and we met some wonderful friends, so we figured why not have our first trip of 2023 be back to Puerto Vallarta.
Yeah guys, the last few weeks we've had some great adventures. We hiked Cerro de la Cruz, we explored the fairly underrated Playa Esmeralda, we revisited Uncle Rigo's coffee plantation in Compostela, and you know, a couple other things. We did some random filming, not really anything put together, so we're just gonna put together a montage for you.
Montage!
You know, even Rocky had a montage.
You always fade out with the montage.
Part of me is afraid to get hurt. Love always made a mess of me. Broken heart got the best of me. But with you, I am high, I'm alive, and it feels like paradise. It feels like paradise. Ooh. And it feels like paradise. Part of me wants to say it's real, I'm here to stay. Part of me is afraid to feel it. Love always was a curse to me. Broken heart made the worst of me. But with you, I am high, I'm alive, and it feels like paradise. It feels like paradise. Ooh. And it feels like paradise.
Alrighty guys, that concludes our first video.
Thanks for following us along on our adventures. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.
CJ out.